flying potatoes are taking over the village now.
Ah! Fluffy, what do you have to say about that?
Oh my goodness, tail.
What's his tail doing? Oh my god. Fluffy, do you give me the hate of glares? Yes, yes he does. And by that I mean the glares of hate. Ha! There we go. It's a happy family.
I have a s'more. This one's like empty now because I ate out all the middle. See, it's all empty compared to that one. Text message on my carpet.
Hannah doing, Chubby Bunny? You can't chew it.
You can't chew it?
You can't chew it.
Oh my god. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny?
You have a big mouth.
Oh no.
You're supposed to in your cheeks or something. Don't you have a strategy? Don't gag yourself. You didn't say it that time. You're not saying it. That doesn't count. You're not saying it. You have marshmallows sticking out of your mouth. That's not. You said you like have marshmallows sticking out of your mouth. Go into the trash can and spit it out then. If you don't want it. That doesn't count. Go spit it out. Chubby Bunny time. See, you have a technique. I do not. I just shove them in there.
Chubby Bunny. Oh my god, that's funny.
Chubby Bunny time. Oh, that's attractive.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Don't make your mouth bleed like I did. That wasn't even cool. I was just like stuffing it in there, and then when I spit out, the marshmallows are all bloody.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Why can't it be cute Bubby? Wait, cute Bubby. Cute Bunny. Make you laugh, make you sit them up. Ah. Don't break your mouth. That'd be really bad. It's hard, isn't it? Chubby. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. How many is that for? Don't die. That would be bad. Then we'd have no more video. Marshmallow?
Chubby Bunny.
Whoa. How did you do that? Mine are just like... Well, that's what mine sounded like. And we both know it's true. Your face expression is hysterical right now. Are you done? You have one more. You're gonna get more than me? No, you're not.
No.
I have the biggest mouth here. Don't you hear me talking all the time? I mean, jeez. Maybe it's because I didn't have your technique. Can you do it? You haven't said it yet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Slinky won. Oh yeah, what do you think? You won.
Slinkies can't eat marshmallows.
What do you think this is?
You've stuffed them in there.
He ate them. They're inside of him. Oh god, he threw them up.
They're toys.
He kind of threw them up.
Our Slinky is a toy and they can't eat marshmallows.
Can we still eat these?
Yeah.
He just like, ah.
Ah.
It's recording. Bye-bye. It's recording? Oh my god.